Our next school continues to hold it down for the girls repping girl power. They mean business and they're ready to sing and tell. Here is This Is Me medley by Bishop Gibson High School.
The following program is rated BGHS. Your vote to 444-8810 is required.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send a flood, I'm gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me. We are bursting through the barricades, reaching for the sun. We are warriors. Yes, that's what we've become. Won't let them trip me down. I know that there's a place for us. Oh, we are glorious. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine. Can't bother with them big box TV, I know, man. Hey yo, we're gonna make you feel alright. Shake your body to the party that we're having tonight. Hey yo, I know you wanna dance with us. Have a reason, jump around and to move your foot. Hey yo, I like this stuff. Come on with me and let's break it down. Like now, na 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 na. We're gonna have a good time. Push it to the limit, limit. 'Cause we're in it. Oh yeah. Push it to the limit, limit. Give it all we can give. Hey yo.
Yes, Bishop Gibson from Central Jamaica. You're in it to win it. I see you're pushing it to the limit. When you say you are not scared, this is me. Yes, I believe you. The interpretation of the song was great. I like the harmonies. Not so much understanding the dressing, but but it's okay. I applaud you. Good work.
Yes, Bishop Gibson. You guys sound awesome as usual. Your voices sound so nice together, and it's nice to hear that all-female sound. It's really, really beautiful. I can't tell you enough how beautiful it is. Again, I didn't quite understand the makeup either or the thing. And for me, I'm just missing more. There's a lot of drama, but I'm missing the theater of it, which is show tunes. But again, it sound nice.
Well, you know, from the time I heard Bishop Gibson sing that song about going back to Eden, every time you get to that stage, I have to come forward in my chair because I don't know what I'm going to get, right? The harmony was good. The interpretation of the song was good. And the movements back and forth was exciting. You didn't want to take your eyes off the choir for 1 minute because you might miss something. I like these women warrior songs because you see all the warrior come out in those, especially in the front row. And I think you did a fantastic job, and I believe you. You are in it to win it.
Loving what you see from Bishop? Then you know what to do. Get your phones and start voting. Text or call 444-8810.